how to show or hide my calendar in calendar app on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendars app, click on this three lines icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click on manage calendars. After click on manage calendar, you will see my phone is here. If you want to hide my calendar in calendar app, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see calendar is hide from calendar app. If you want to show calendar from calendar app, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see calendar is show. So you will show or hide calendar app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide my calendar in calendar app on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.